They're so good. It is 8:21. I had my coffee and I forgot about this mug. I love this mug. So yeah, and I drank a whole water, which I need more. I need to refill and keep drinking, but I'm lazy. Now I have just been chilling. It is so rainy and gloomy and vibey. Unpopular opinion, but I love the rain. It just makes me like so cozy, like So I am definitely not jumping into my workout right now, but after this video that I'm on, I'll start it so I can have my breakfast, because I don't like the feeling of working out with food, but that's besides the point. Today is my free day for working out. So basically my workouts throughout the week, I like to do one leg BBG day and then a weight leg day. I like to do the same thing with arms, so a BBG day with arms and a weight arm day. I'll do a full body, and then the other 2 days of the week I do kind of a free-for-all. So I could do weights if I wanted, or I could do yoga or whatever I really want. So today is one of my free days, and I typically just do a full body workout with or without weights. Right now I'm actually gonna do Hannah Ann's workout video once she posted on YouTube. Obviously I don't have everything, like I can't go run on the treadmill and I don't have like big battle ropes, but I'm gonna do the most I can, and then I'm gonna do some yoga after that. So there's like some weights, some not. It's just kind of an overall hit day. So yeah, yeah, and I'm wearing shorts today. I never wear shorts when I work out, but I thought I'd try it. And yeah, it's about, I don't know what time it is. I think it's, yeah, it's 8:40. So I'm gonna do this and then make my smoothie, and yeah, it is such a gloomy day out and I actually love it. Guys, I just completed my workout. I did Hannah Ann's workout. I did a weighted, like ankle weight and resistance band booty, and then I finished it off with a 10-minute Melissa Wood Health. Now I'm going to make my protein shake, and I need to take some pictures for a brand. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, but I need some water first. I made my smoothie and put it in my teamy cup. I just made the best smoothie ever. So like, it literally is like a pina colada goddess. All right, I got my pics. Now I can actually have the smoothie. And I got my robe on, because you know, when you drink smoothies, you get freezing. So I'm gonna watch some more YouTube and drink my smoothie. Well, not drink it, I eat it with a spoon. Get comfy. I'm gonna turn this light off. Anyone else hate having their big lights on? Because I only have them on when I work out. It's 11 now. I just planned out that brand post going up tomorrow. It's the same day as this vlog, so cool. Now I am going to edit my video that has to go up today and make the thumbnail and do all of that. I'm gonna shower first. I just showered. I didn't wash my hair because I didn't really feel like I needed to, and Now I'm going to do my makeup. I think I'm gonna change up my makeup that I'm doing today. And I think I'm gonna put my glasses on. I just feel like wearing glasses today. But yeah, I'm going to get ready and I'll just do a montage of that now. So I did my makeup. It is a little different than what I normally do. I normally try to do like bronzy, glowy things, while this was like really matte, and I did eyeliner on my lower line, which I never really do. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put on an outfit. I honestly think I'm just gonna wear the same thing I wore yesterday because I'm an outfit repeater. And yeah, I might throw my glasses on. Yeah, I have to go take my garbages out. You know, the usual chores. Okay, garbage is out and I'm now ready. So that means it's time to get to work, which means I need my hard drive. Start editing. It is now 1:07. I just finished editing. That took so long. Yeah, so I need to make the thumbnail and then I'm done. And my blog post for today is about my lunch, so I can't really do that until after I eat. And after I do that, all I have is my daily walk, and I think I might bake today. Still unsure, but just, yeah, I've just been working on this. I'm really trying to get my editing better, so hopefully you guys are seeing a difference. But yeah, I'm just drinking some water. I'm pretty excited for my lunch today. It's gonna be good. All right, while my video is uploading, I'm gonna go make lunch. It's 1:30. Oh, mom's barging in.
I'm not.
And no, you didn't. You can come in. It's fine. It's fine. You can come in.
Nope, don't want to.
Okay. Anyways. All right, guys. So lunch today is a veggie burger and my veggie fries, which are so post. I unfortunately have to re-upload 2 of my YouTube videos because they uploaded wrong. Great. Now I'm going to bake. I just feel like baking. And I'm really conflicted if I want to make a McDonald's banana bread or if I want to try making carrot cake muffins. I've decided it's banana bread. I'm feeling banana bread. And I don't have to spend any money if I do banana bread. I forgot I was making peach tea and I put it in the fridge to like, what is it called? Like steep. Steep. It's definitely steepened now. All right, let me sip on that and make my banana bread. Come on, guys, how yummy does that look? Like, oh my god. I love baking. Yeah, even though she already ate it.
I didn't look.
They don't even stick to the...
I know, I go, they didn't stick to the wrapper.
Mmm.
Those are delicious.
Mmm.
I know.
Here we go. Spinco. We got Spinco at home. Oh my god, this makes me want to cry.
I know, I said I'm so sad giving all my bikes away.
Oh my god, look guys, we can spin at home.
We're gonna see if my shoes work.
I'm so excited.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's it's quiet, eh?
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hey. Spinco at home.
Should I do the ready, Daddy?
Mom and I are out for our daily walk.
Daily walk and walk.
It's very nice out. What did you think of my muffins?
Oh my god, they were so good.
They're so good. We are walking now, and it's really nice out, which is good because normally we're like completely bundled up. But with how good these muffins are, we're all gonna gain like 10 pounds.
Yeah.
It's just the vibe, you know? But yeah.
But maybe not. Now we cried.
This day has been so fast. I can't believe it's 5.
Every day seems to really fast now. I don't know why.
We got our spin bike, which we're super excited for. And yeah.
Excited.
Now we're walking. You probably can't hear me because of the wind.
Camping in groups. Hey!
I made tofu with sweet potatoes, carrots, asparagus, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, and sweet chili lime hot sauce. I'm so excited to eat this. Just finished dinner. I'm cold, so I got into my house coat. But I'm going to finally chill. I have been so go, go, go all day. And now I'm going to go on my phone, go on YouTube. Maybe I'll watch a movie. I don't know. But it's time to relax. It is 7:30.